Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a DIY wall grid or that wall decor that's very popular in Pinterest or in Instagram. It can be used as a wall decor or something where you can hang your accessories, bag charms, notes, and whatnot. This is just easy to make. You don't have to actually create the whole grid, You just have to assemble it how you want it to look like. These grids are available online. You can just, make a purchase anytime. Or you might find an old one at home. It can be rusty, but you can just, spray paint them with any color that you have in mind. So we will start first with everything that we need. First is the wall grid, of course. I originally want to paint it gold, but I decided to keep it that way. And then just for decoration, I bought some of this fake plant or leaf, printed some photos, and made these paper frames. Some hooks to hang the grids up on the wall, but I think I won't be using them now. Then I have here some cute clips. So now I'm going to decorate the grid how I want it to look like. I did change it a bit as I went along and added some small bulb, just to add some dreamy vibe. So that's it for my DIY wall grid. I hope you like it, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I see you again on my next one. God bless us all. Bye!